Adventure time with Alex.
Wow, look at these butterflies flying everywhere. Those are cocoons.
That's where they hatch. Yeah.
That's where they come out from.
Oh no!
See the cocoons? There's all these cocoons. Wow. Big ones. Look at this one. This one looks cool.
Whoa! What's up on there?
Yeah.
They're not
There's
hot
all
too.
these cocoons.
Why not? It's died.
Cool.
Oh, no, why not? It's died.
Wow, look at these. These are even real.
Hello. Look, it died. It's died. It's died. It's died.
Someone's dead?
No. This is not died.
This one right there.
If you stand still, they might come to you. Butterflies fly everywhere. Riding the big beetle.
Look at me.
Don't want to get out of home. Beetle fight. Venomous bugs.
Something's bugs.
It's poisonous, it says.
Hey, come here.
What? Big grasshoppers.
Let's see.
Especially during mornings and afternoons during the dog days of July and August. It's common
Cockroaches.
That's why they make their noise sounds like. Heading into the rainforest. Different types of butterflies. There's a fake snake. And some lizards on the rocks. Lizard up on the rocks. And a frog. That's a boa. Boa or a python. I don't know which one it is. But it's a snake.
Why are you looking?
It's a snake. It's so big.
This up?
Catfish. Some Oscar fish.
Look,
Look at that catfish.
Look this. Hey, look this.
Piranhas.
Hey, look this.
What are those?
Red tail.
There's big fish.
It's a big red tail. He has a red tail. Look at his tail.
Bellied piranha.
A green snake on the tree.
It's hard to see.
A jaguar. There's one way up on the tree.
Hey, look, ship water. Look, ship water. Look, ship water.
Rawr, jaguar. What was that noise? It's a gorilla.
It's water.
I think it's a gorilla.
Oh, there's a deer over there.
All these little bugs.
Deer right here.
All these little beetles.
Yes. Beer.
Pyramids. Grasshoppers. Another beetles. A crab and a tarantula.
Look, this. Woodpecker.
Scorpion.
Hey, look.
What?
Look up there.
Oh, the woodpecker.
Yeah, woodpecker. My hand.
I spy a woodpecker.
Look, this.
Just like the wildcat show.
Yeah.
I spy a wild boar.
Yes. Oh my God.
Oh. It's a big fish. It's a big beetle.
Michael.
Here, hold on.
Right there.
Butterflies.
Butterflies. Bubba.
Big beetle. Look at that big one here. He's so big.
Don't put your feet there. You're going to break it.
Mommy ran over that bird before. Oreo. Mr. Squirrel eating avocados.
There's a toucan up there. You went to the hospital.
Died because you went to hospital for 2 weeks. Hummingbird. A parrot. All the different kind of frogs in Wisconsin.
Yeah, it's all frogs.
Oh, Wisconsin has a leopard frog only. Little ermine or something. And a monkey.
Look,
Yeah.
two big pigeons.
Two parrot.
Big pigeons.
So who's going to win? The snake or the frog?
Second frog.
Oh, this bird got a little frog in his mouth. Silver bird. Name is called. Oh, I can't even pronounce that.
Look at the little monkey.
Bugs.
Oh, look
Look
at
at all
that.
these bugs.
Look, oh, this dog. Oh, this. Oh, this guy. Oh, this guy. Oh, this guy.
He's a stick. That's a stick guy?
This guy. Oh, no.
He's made. Wow, look at that bird. There's a blackbird. Some fish.
Someone.
Snake.
Red frog.
Oh, wow. Macaw.
Look,
A
Tiny.
toucan.
Me, Tiny.
Yeah.
Me, Tiny.
He's got a fish in his mouth.
No, fish.
There's a bird. And he built all this big nest.
Candy
This Tiny and what Tiny?
and salad. You eat salad?
No, you don't eat salads.
Only other eat.
These are the food.
Yeah, oh, this one.
Do you eat vegetables?
Vegetables.
I
Oh, look at this. Look,
Corn.
they killed that animal.
The woolly mammoth.
just touched the arm.
Yeah,
It's a playset.
so they can eat.
It's a model. Shows you what they used to do back in the old days.
Woof! Up there.
It's a cliff. It's a cliff. They're so high up in the cliff.
Look. They're walking. He died.
He died, yeah. Live in there?
A teepee.
You can't go in there. I just stand there and take a picture. Stand up.
Which one?
Buffalo hunt.
Picture. Careful.
Alex, you're in the buffaloes.
Look.
You
Look
can
at me,
get
baby.
trampled. Hey, Alex, you can
Alex.
get trampled. You're in the buffalo's way. They're coming.
Alex. Look.
These big,
Fish.
some grizzly bears.
Let's go eat fish.
They call it salmon.
Yeah, walrus. Oh, these are seals.
Seals.
These are seals, baby. They're not walrus.
There's baby ones.
Seashell.
It's a seal.
It's baby ones.
There's a lot of punks in those deers. The wild boars in the desert. Look for baby piglets. Nice. Spy an owl up in the cactus. And a bird. This big cactus tree.
Floors.
Wild turkeys.
Oh, look at those lovebirds up there.
This is the poop cliff.
Way up there, poops.